Breathe through your nose with your left ear. Atta girl, gotcha. How far down do you feel that one today? I didn't feel it all the way down. Me either. Yeah. I'm gonna catch you off guard. Don't talk for a second. There it is.
Oh
yes,
my God.
Felt that one though, didn't you? Who's back for another adjustment today? Melanie. And Melanie has not been here in a few months. Now, since we saw her last, she did have a breast implant removal, correct?
Yes.
And that took a lot of the compression stress off of here.
Yes.
You're not feeling as bad in here now. It's more down
pain.
low, you said. She hasn't had any other trauma other than the surgery done on her, and that was in March, right?
Yes.
Yep. All right, since it's been a while, I'm going to check her out first. Let's have you lay on your tummy here for me now. Face down in here, please.
Okay.
Her left leg is short by 1/4 of an inch in this position. I bring them up, it gets tight right there in the low back, doesn't it, Melanie?
It does.
Yep. So that's a positive Deerfield on the left and positive Knockless because it tightened up and caused some uncomfortable feeling down in the lumbar spine. That's a little tender right there, huh? Mm-hmm. Mostly right here, though.
Yes.
Yep. A little bit of a tweak in your ribs there, too. You ever hear your chest popping when you stretch or yawn or do a bench press?
No.
No? Okay. Tight shoulders, both sides still. Neck's out right there on the right on the right. And a little bit right there, too. Lock this right leg straight for me, please, Melanie. Lift that entire right leg up. Does that tighten up?
The side is tighter.
It is tighter on the left? So she does have bilateral SI joint subluxations, lumbar spine subluxations, mid-thoracic subluxations where the ribs attach. Any contraindications to getting adjusted? Some of these might be a little sore at first, Melanie, because it's been a while for you. There we go. Yes, ma'am. There you go. Keep breathing. Atta girl. Boy, you're going to feel better after this. Good. Left leg was short. Now it's exactly even, Melanie. This should feel easier, but you tell me.
Yes.
Good. Okay. You can feel your head popping up on this next one. There we go. So we're going to bring her head up and over her posture where it's supposed to be. Good. Now slide down about an inch for me, please, Melanie. Put both arms out like this. There you go. You can relax your hands right there on your tummy now, Melanie. Let this right leg go in my hand. That a girl. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back. Same here. Let go of this one too. That a girl. And a little crepitus in this right shoulder, but not bad. Yep. Perfect. Okay. Oh, wow. You been working out?
I have, but not upper
exercise?
body. Not upper body.
Okay. You don't want you lifting over your head?
Yeah, not until next week.
Yeah. So this will not affect adversely your surgery.
Okay.
Because it's going to be going straight y-axis on your spine.
Okay.
Okay. Get you in there good and tight. Yes, ma'am. Let me get your hair out of the way here. Oops, sorry about that.
Okay.
This with your left ear. Atta girl, gotcha. How far down do you feel that one today? I didn't feel it all the way down. Me either. Yeah. I'm going to catch you off guard. Don't talk for a second. There it is.
Oh
yes,
my
ma'am.
God.
Felt that one though, didn't you? Double dinger on Melanie today. Again, yeah, I didn't do that last time too, huh? Okay, let this one go. Okay, let me do it for you. You're trying to help me. Tilt left. There it is. Tilt right. Atta girl. All right, I'm going to stand here in front of the mirror. Now I'm gonna shoot you again. Look at you standing up already then. You see how your shoulder squared right off?
Yes.
Cool deal. That should be less tight right now. Let's hold these guys back here. And I'm gonna bring that head way back this way. There you go. Okay, now relax. Now try that same thing again. Forward, backwards, and neutral. That should have felt smoother.
It does.
This knee, just like this here, just like this. Good. So I just want you to relax as much as you can. So we're gonna rotate. So just relax your stomach down. Does that hurt at all?
No.
You okay?
I think so.
Okay. Do you need a breather? You okay? You need a minute?
I'm good. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Okay. So we're gonna roll it just like this. So I want you to take a deep breath in. I'm gonna pull this hip down. And exhale all the way out. Let that go more. Take another deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. Relax your stomach.
Oh God. Oh, good. I don't even know what I just said. Okay.
Okay, here.
Let's get this thing going.
Yeah, let's go with that. Just to hold your bicep, put your thumb underneath. Same thing like this. A little bit different this time. I'm gonna take your leg and you're gonna take it off the table.
Oh God. Oh, he just popped my back.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna push right into there. So I'm gonna turn your hips. So I want you to roll a little bit more.
Okay.
Good. So I'm not gonna tell you when, alright?
Okay.
Because I just want you to relax as much as you can. Good. Let your hip roll more. Let that go. Good.
I'm sorry. I hope there's no
That's okay.
patience
You're
here.
good.
That was nice.
Roll with me, just like that way. We're gonna get right here.
Okay.
That's it. So I want you to take a deep breath in. Let all your air out. Relax over my hand. Good. Don't hold that breath.
Okay.
Good. Exhale. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So one more time. Good. Take another deep breath in and exhale out. Let that go.
Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How did that feel? Is that okay?
Yes, that's good.
That was
That
good.
was nice.
All right. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. Close your eyes for me. That's good. Let your head just fall. Good.
Oh.
Not
Okay.
bad. Was that bad? Was that all right?
No, that was good.
Not as much of a scream this time. All right. So we're gonna adjust a little bit higher right in through here, right behind you. This way. I'm gonna put my hand right here. So relax your shoulder. Good. I want you to let your head fall a little bit more. Good. Let that fall. Drop your head more. Drop.
Wait, drop. How do I do
Like
that?
just like let it fall.
Okay.
There you go. Good. Here.
Oh God.
A bit lower. That's where we're aiming. Close your eyes there for me. We're gonna get low.
Oh God. Oh, this is intimidating.
Good. And exhale out. Good. Take another deep breath in. And make sure you get closer after. And exhale out. Good. One more time, deep breath in. Exhale out. Just let everything go. Good. And
That was nice. Fuck up. That was good. Because I feel like it was through like right here, but it kind of also felt like
down
It
into
was
there
like-
too.
mhm.
Yeah.
wow. Maybe we should have measured me before.
And then try it afterwards. Yeah.
Because I feel like I was like an accordion getting decompressed.
Mm-hmm.
So, wow.
Try and stand up.
No.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
So you can sit down if you
I'm
want. Good. What I want you to do is I want you to try to bend over again.
I honestly forgot what it was like before. It's a lot less tension on my hamstrings.
Mm-hmm. It seems like it seems like it's easier for you to get down there too.
Right. Yeah.
Good. You good?
Yeah.
You both of you all right?
Yeah.
Good. Starting to feel it now?
Yeah, I don't. Getting up was. I don't feel it.